Let me welcome you to the new lecture after a long time. So in this video, we will see about the concept called previous candle theory and continuation candle theory. It's in part 1 series. What are the particular topics we're going to cover in this lecture? Visual line chart example, previous candle theory definitions, continuation candle theory, which pattern is most common in these two, and the summary. So let's see the visual line chart example, right? If you see the left picture, you can see a high gates manipulator, which is this, which is the previous candle high. If the previous candle high gets manipulated, you look for short setup, right? You short from here. And for bullish, if you look for the candle low gets manipulated, and the same thing you will do. You will long and target the opposite side. Next, continuation candle theory. If you look the visuals in the left line chart, you can see the previous candle high is not manipulator, which is this, but it's still trader in the opposite side, right? It has been manipulated this particular internal high, right? But there is an high. It's not a candle high, which is I marked this one, right? So the arrow, which one? This. It's not an the candle high. It's an internal high, which get manipulated. So same for bullish. You look for an internal high, sorry, low, gets taken out, and you long. Remember the previous candle low will not get manipulated. This is the definition for previous candle theory. If the previous candle high or low was not taken and traded in the opposite direction is called previous candle theory. So bearish and bullish example has given. So bearish example, which is in the left side and in the right side, it's an example for bullish. Previous candle theory chart example. Look close into the first candle, which is this, candle low, which is previous candle low. It's manipulated. Here you will target the previous candle high, which is this. And for bullish, you look for candle high gets taken out and you target the opposing range of the previous candle. Continuation candle theory with the definition. If the previous candle high or low was not taken but still traded in the opposite direction is called continuation candle theory. Now this is so important. If you see that the previous candle high was not taken but it reached previous candle low, which is it does not take the previous candle high and reach the previous candle low. Same for the bullish. You look for previous high and the previous low will not get taken out. Which pattern is most common? Continuation candle theory. But there is a thing that previous candle theory is rare but high probability, which is an A plus setup. Alright, we all know that strategies are everywhere. Uh, you have to follow the plan, you have to journal, and you have to follow the risk management. So, see you in the next part. Thank you.